Hello, my name is Eric Vander Hyde with Bluestem Botanicals. We are a certified organic herb farm in southeast Pennsylvania where we specialize in liquid extracts. We grow, cultivate, hand harvest, and process the herbs right on our farm. We're here today with PA Preferred, and we're gonna make a couple drinks. We are gonna make a No Thyme for the blues. This is a really fun, summery drink that is fruity and savory, very seasonally appropriate. Those piney, resinous, citrusy notes from our fresh thyme are really gonna pair well with that dark, deep blueberry tannins. We are going to start with 2.5 ounces of coconut water. You're gonna add in some thyme simple syrup. So this thyme was made right from our fields, brought in, hand harvested, and made into a simple syrup. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of the thyme simple syrup. We are gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of blueberry juice. Look at that. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice right into our glass. We are gonna go with our ginger glycerin. This is an alcohol-free extract. We're making a mocktail today, an alcohol-free drink. 1 dropper of ginger glycerin right in there. We're gonna add some ice. This ice is gonna go right into there. We're gonna grab the other half of our shaker. We're gonna dump, seal that right on the top of the shaker, and then give it a good shake. 15, 20 seconds. Let's see what that's looking like. That is looking pretty good in our shaker. I am going to add some fresh ice into our glass. We are gonna take our shaken up drink with a strainer and put that right in there. We are gonna top that with some seltzer. I like a little effervescence, a little bubbly on there. We're gonna add a little garnish for some visual. We're gonna do a wheel, a little lime wheel on there. And we're gonna take our rosemary hydrosol, which is an aromatic spray. We're gonna tip that right on top and layer those rosemary notes on. I'm gonna add just a couple blueberries on top because it is blueberry season and it's gonna look amazing. Let's just see how this tastes. Oh my God. That is summer right there in a glass. Shout out to PA Preferred. They're just one of the most epic organizations within the state, supporting small, local, and organic farms across the state. Thank you. Enjoy your drinks this summer, and remember to drink your garden.